So guys, I am here at the beach and it is a beautiful day. I love it. Woo, so cool. So cool, guys. I want to go right down there. So the other day I came to the beach, but it was red flag day, and so I decided to take you guys with me today. Every time I see the water, like the ocean, you know, I remember Peter walking on the water. We too can do it, guys, not like temporarily, but spiritually. Sometimes God is just waiting for us to walk by faith, you know, for him to perform great miracles in our lives. Sometimes he just wants us to put our foot in the water, you know. That's all he's waiting on sometimes. Just for us to put our foot in the water. So guys, that's my purse and my towel. That's my purse right here. My towel and this book to read. And that's my husband right here, taking pictures. He's a photographer. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my purse. Let me show you the book. It is Wisdom from the Proverbs, Daily Thoughts and Meditations. So coming up, I'm gonna read like a little part of it. So guys, I'm happy taking you guys with me along to the beach, because you know winter is coming up very soon. Okay, this is my slippers I'm wearing for the day. Let me that's my slippers. Now let's go look at the ocean, guys. Let me turn around and take my slippers off. Woo. How about you holding this for a second? My hubby's behind the camera, guys. I'm gonna undress a little bit to go in the water. Hopefully I didn't get exposed. I'm trying not to. So if that happens, sorry. I'm gonna put this down and I'll be right back. Make sure you're holding it like it. The water is cold. Oh my gosh, it's very cold. Come on in the picture. Guys, it's an awesome day. I'm really having fun. Say hi.
Hi.
Go like this. It's okay. That's plastic. His shoes got wet. Whew. Okay, guys, let me walk a little bit. Oh, I can't leave my purse.
I don't know why you brought it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You want us to put it back? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave my book and my clothes right here. And then I walk with this. Come on.
Where's your cover-up thing?
It's there.
Where?
Right there.
Why you gonna leave it?
Okay. So guys, I'm picking up my towel. My my husband called it my cover-up thing. He was asking me, where's your cover-up thing? So I come back and get it. All right. Hold this, let me put on the cover-up second. Let me put it on. Come on. Hello. So guys, it's so awesome today. It's a beautiful day, you know. Oh, I wish I could show you that bird. Ooh. I don't know if you guys see the bird. I was trying to catch that bird. So guys, I'm just walking along the beach here. I'm gonna show you the water in just a minute. I'll be showing you the water. Oh my gosh, that is so cool, but I don't know if I can take picture there. It's a little walking thing, so beautiful. Herc, that's special. Can somebody take picture right there? Or no?
I don't know who did that.
Okay. And maybe it's a wedding thing too.
Yeah.
So guys, I want to show you the ocean. Give me chips. Give me chips. Come on. Oh guys, there are some birds. So guys, I want you to remember today that Jesus Christ loves you. And I want just to remind you about the love of Jesus. Because he loves us. He'll do anything for us, you know. Anything at all. If he takes care of the sparrow, he'll take care of us, you know. There are some little sparrows here. If that's what you call it, I'm not sure. If these are sparrows, but I'm trying to get some sparrows. See these birds, guys? They are amazing. So cool, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna let my husband film me a little bit. Film. Turn it. Turn it around. I'm gonna go for a little bit.
I don't know how to do this. What you want to do? See, it's not. It's focusing on whoever's in front.
Yes. I want to tell you guys that I love you guys. Thanks for watching today. And until next time, remember, the joy of the Lord is your strength. I love you guys. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Let me go closer to the water. See how beautiful the water is? So amazing. But for me, I don't want to get in the water today because it's kind of rough, you know. So I just don't want to get in at all. I said I'm gonna wrap it up and then, oh guys, I see some birds. Guys, there are a lot of birds here today, a lot of birds. I just take a break, you know, just to come to the beach and take you guys along with me because coming to the beach is fun. It's fun, a lot of fun. This summer, normally I used to come to the beach a lot, but now I don't come a lot because of, you know, those wildlife stuff creeping out of the ocean, you know, and I don't want to get hurt, so I don't really get in the water like that anymore. But I love the beach, you know, I love it a lot. Whew. Guys, isn't God wonderful? He made us, but at the same time, you know, he give us hope. That is the troubled water. Well, I'm not gonna say troubled water, but like if you're having troubles in your life, right? I'm using this as an example. If you're having trouble in your life, watch the waves as it come to the shore are peaceful and calming, and it rests. Once it reaches the shore, it rests. It is the same with God. When we are going through turmoil and troubles in our lives, you know, when we are in the arms of Jesus, we can rest. We can rest because God is in control. So no matter what you're going through today, no matter the turmoil, no matter how it's raging in your life, Jesus Christ is saying to you today, come my child, come to me and rest. When we give our burdens and our cares to Jesus, he will take control. He has power over the ocean, and so you have power over every situation in your life. No matter what it is that you are going through, put your hope and your trust in God, because if he calms these waves that are sometimes so boisterous, he will calm everything in your life and take care of you. So until next time, I love you guys. See you guys another time. Bye for now. Bye. Bye guys. Oh my gosh, it's up there. Next time I'm not doing that. Period.